Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can renew your Roblox server. So I'm going to renew my dress room press server because I do use private servers for all of my tutorials. Here, I'm just going to select the join connections one. And then here, I'm just going to select renew, press renew, and then that's it. I'm just going to refresh it, configure, and let me just adjust this a little bit. Why won't it work? Hold on. Let me join connections again, and hopefully I should be joining the server. I don't know what's wrong with this. Okay, it's on. Oh, well, obviously select allow joining. Sorry, I forgot about that. Go back to private servers and then join connections. Then you can join your private server. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.